It's warm today, which is unusual. Warm and dry. So this is going to feel very good for Coda. And of course I'm getting eaten alive by bugs. Ouch. Coda, come on. Yeah, it feels good, doesn't it, buddy? Come on. No, you're not getting out. Come on. We'll come back. Come on, silly. What a good boy. Let's keep walking. Come on, wet. Ah, summertime. You ready?